To so many people, they were so confused. Ano ba talaga pinamumuhay mo? Kaya walang pahinga eh, walang rest sa Diyos. Alam niyo bakit? Ang dami nating ginagawa sa buhay. Ang dami nating pinagugugulan ng energy. Ang tanong, yun ba yung pinagagawa ng Diyos sa'yo? Pag-isipan ninyo. Pero mamamatay na lang tayo, tatanda tayo. Tapos tatanungin sa Lord, Lord, ito ba talaga yung pinagagawa mo sa akin? Pero wala kang ka-rest. Yun yung para ka nag-exam, hindi ka natulog, as in, sinabit mo yung take-home exam mo, 2 linggo ka nag-research, 2 linggo ka din natutulog, ginawa mo lahat, pagdating mo doon, sabi ng teacher mo, hindi ito yung assignment. Type nyo. And one day, most of us will be surprised. Pagharap natin kay God, hindi ito yung assignment. Maybe we're too busy building our own palace, building our own kingdom. At the end of the day, when we face God, pagod na pagod tayo, Lord, I'm so tired. I'm so consumed. And sabi ng God, but this is not the assignment. Type nyo. So, ito po, always follow God. Find your shelter in the Lord. And in that roof, He will protect you from rogue judges. He will protect you from your own weakness. He will protect you for those overly fanatical. And He will protect you from the fear of the unknown. And you don't know the journey. You just follow the Lord. Remember? Nakakatakot ata. But God is always there to remind you, if you walk with me, you walk with my itineraries, I will bring you to where you should be. Are you following? Now, tingnan niyo po. Sabi ng Bible, I am the light of the world. He who follows me will not walk in the darkness, but will have the light of life.